Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Glam with Tori. Today I am going to do a comparison video between two different makeup removers, and one of them is Color Street's brand new Melt Away Balm. I've never used this before, but it's supposed to be able to remove your makeup while moisturizing, and yeah, so I want to test it out. But I want to also compare it with another makeup remover that I got while I was traveling. So I'm actually on a business trip right now, and I was on this same trip last year. And last year I totally forgot to bring my makeup remover with me, and obviously I was wearing makeup every day, so I ended up having to buy makeup remover in the airport. And this is called Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Makeup Remover Gel Cleanser. I bought this in the airport. It actually works pretty good. I mean, I use it. I don't wear makeup every day, but I use it enough that I want to compare it against Color Street's new makeup balm. So first I want to show you guys the packaging. Let's see if it will zoom in there, and then obviously it's purple for classic Color Street. It's in this cute little container, and then the directions say that you need to use the spatula to scoop out the product and gently massage onto dry skin, focusing on areas that have more makeup. So that is what we are going to do, and let's just see. So there is a little spatula that it comes with. Oh, it is like, wow, it's like solid, which is not what I expected at all. I thought it was going to be just like my other makeup remover, this is a liquid. So that alone is interesting. So today I'm going to use this, and then tomorrow I'm going to wear makeup again, the same makeup, so that we can compare equally. And we're going to see which one I truthfully think is better. So scoop a little. It feels wrong to scoop this, honestly, because my like OCD self like wants to keep this perfection, and now it's like basically ruined, but whatever. So it says, sorry, I'm gonna read it again. Scoop it out and massage it onto the dry skin, focusing on areas that have more makeup, and then use water to massage, warm water. So what I do, just like wipe it. Oh gosh, I dropped it. Alright. Massaging it. What I'm most interested in is if it can get my mascara off, because I have problems with that, where like I end up having to use, that just dropped on the floor, where I'm having to use wipes to end up wiping my eyes at the end of my makeup routine. And obviously for people who do makeup, they constantly tell us not to use wipes. So this is why I'm trying these other new products to begin with. And I'm gonna scoop just a little bit more. I'm nervous to do my eyes while recording myself, only because I can't see, and so this is a new experience for me in general, recording myself while washing my face. But put on start with my eyebrows. That's an easy way to start. I feel like I'm using kind of a lot of product, although if you can see like the dirt from my makeup, not dirt, I shouldn't say dirt, but the foundation of my makeup is like already melting into my fingers, so that's like a good sign that it works. Massage I'm gonna rinse my hand before I get some more. My face like feels like I can feel it on my face, like the moisturization right now, which is crazy. Like it feels like I just put lotion on my face. Like it feels like the properties or something like is doing something. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes now. This is where the scary part comes in, because I literally cannot see what is happening. But I want to get all the mascara off. Here we go. Time to rinse. Okay. Well, my eye makeup is pretty much gone. Like, there's no eyeliner, and I'd have to like use a wet wipe or something to like actually check if my mascara is gone, but it looks like it is. Yeah, it looks like my mascara is clean, which is crazy. I already think that this is better than the other one that I used. So, the towel test, no mascara. If I look like this, it's not black. So, I would say it's pretty good. And then now we're gonna look at how much I actually used. So, I kind of feel like that's a lot to use compared to like the whole thing, but then I also don't use makeup every day, so it's not like it's a lot like long term, but it did also basically clean my entire face, and my face feels pretty soft right now, which is really good. Like my face feels good. So I would say that this was a success, and I definitely will use it again. But the video is not over yet. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Just a comparison, so see you then. Okay, I'm back. It is day 2. I'm wearing the same makeup as yesterday, and I am going to use the Airport. I should stop calling it Airport face wash because it's probably a normal brand. The Peter Thomas Roth brand is what I'm going to be using, and we're going to compare how fast it works compared to yesterday. So it says so yesterday you were supposed to put the Color Street directly on your face, dry, rub it around, and then add water. This one says dispense a small amount of into your hands, add water, rub hands together to create the foaming lather, and then massage it onto your face, and then rinse with water. So that's what I'm gonna do. Add some water. And then I'm going to add a little bit more because I want to make sure that my eyes get clean. The eyeliner and eyeshadow and mascara. So I'm going to get a little bit more. Rub that in really well. Alright, time to rinse. Okay, let's take a look. I have a tissue, so I'm gonna go like this. There is mascara that just came off on my tissue. So I'm gonna have to use a little bit more face wash on my eyes. Okay. Pretty sure it's off now. Yeah, so time to dry. Still a couple of little black, I don't know if you can see it in this camera, but there is still black like mascara marks, which is not what Color Street did. Color Street actually took it all off yesterday. So I'm gonna say it, but Color Street is the clear winner of this experiment that I did, which is great for me because I'm a Color Street independent stylist and I actually sell their products. So support me and click my link in my bio for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.